books to sit on. I like how in the very beginning he's throwing out like colored water.
So do this your entire lap.
That's gonna fuck me up, man. Just give me the old pointers.
Oh, it's red water losing tails from all the pixie dust everywhere.
It was still really cool in the beginning. It was like pro drifting, man. What's that all about? Aim for the inside, accelerate longer.
Enter wide.
Enter what?
Stay on the gas more.
Word.
Really shouldn't hear any football. With the massive slide, you got an 85.
Luke's doing a nice slide around that right hander. Trent Hoisman in an 85, 017, 85, 017.
Yeah. We have
It was awesome.